Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be discussing one of the most important theories in criminology, the rational choice theory. This theory helps explain why people sometimes choose to commit crimes even when they know it's wrong or risky. According to the rational choice theory, individuals are rational thinkers. This means that before doing something, they usually weigh the possible benefits and possible consequences. In simple terms, people think first, what will I get out of this? And what will happen if I get caught? So, if a person believes that committing a crime will give them more benefits than harm, they might go ahead and do it. But if the person believes that the punishment or the risk is too high, they are likely to stop themselves. This idea is what makes rational choice theory a useful way to understand why crimes happen. So, rational choice theory was developed and popularized by criminologists Derek Cornish and Ronald Clark in 1986. They argued that crime is not just caused by poverty, anger, or lack of morals, but also by decision making. Criminals are not always impulsive. Many of them plan their actions carefully. Let's think about it like this. People commit crimes when they see more to gain than to lose. For example, if someone sees an unlocked motorcycle with the key still in it, they might think, if I steal this, I can sell it for 30,000 pesos, but if I get caught, I might go to jail. If the person believes that no one is watching and the chances of getting caught is low, they might choose to take the risk. That decision to weigh benefits versus consequences is what rational choice theory is all about. The theory also suggests that people are motivated by pleasure and profit. If committing a crime gives them money, excitement, or satisfaction, the punishment doesn't seem too serious, they will likely see it as a smart choice and even if it is morally wrong. Let's look at a few more examples to better understand this theory. Imagine a person who wants quick money but doesn't have a job. They see a convenience store with poor security, meaning no CCTV cameras, no guards, and only one cashier. They might think, if I rob this store, I can earn thousands in just a few minutes. The chances of getting caught are low. In their mind, the benefit of getting money fast is bigger than the cost of being arrested. So they might go through with the crime. But if the same person sees that the store has several cameras, guards, and even police nearby, they will probably think twice, now that the cost is higher than the benefit. This shows that people make rational choices based on their surroundings and the risk involved. We can also apply this theory to modern crimes like cybercrime. A hacker might consider breaking into a company's database to steal information. But before doing it, they think about the rewards. Maybe they can sell the data or use it to gain money. But they also think about the risk. If the company has strong cybersecurity and laws are strict, they might be caught and sent to prison. This example proves that criminals are not always driven by emotions. They calculate the chances and act when they think the reward outweighs the punishment. Um, One important lesson from rational choice theory is that crime can be reduced by changing how people think about the risk. If the government or the community makes it harder to commit crimes, like installing CCTV cameras or increasing police patrols or creating stronger laws, then people will see crime as too risky. This is why criminologists say that increasing the cost of crime, meaning making punishments tougher or chances of being caught higher, can discourage potential offenders. For example, strict anti-theft laws or visible police presence makes people realize that crime is not worth the risk. At the same time, offering legal and positive opportunities like jobs, educations, or support can increase the benefit of staying lawful, so individuals won't feel the need to commit crimes. To sum it all up, The rational choice theory tells us that people commit crimes after thinking about what they can gain and what they might lose. If they believe that the benefit is greater, they commit the act, and if not, they avoid it. This theory helps us see that crime prevention is not only about punishment, but also about changing the environment and increasing awareness. By making crime less rewarding and more risky, we can reduce criminal behavior in society. Thank you for listening, and I hope you now have a clearer understanding of how rational choice theory explains why some people choose to break the law.